Boss, I would like to personally invite you to our upcoming chatbot webinar that will going to happen bukas, Friday, 8 to 10 p.m. This is perfect if you're still manually replying sa page mo. And I know every time you get busy, you lose as client. Sayang naman yun, di ba? Like you open your inbox, nagre-reply ka naman, nagfa-follow up, and of course, ikaw yung lahat every single day. And the worst case is, that is non-stop. That's why yung chatbot webinar natin is perfect for you. And ako na mismo yung mag-guide sa'yo on how are you going to set up your chatbot para sa page mo. And the best part is libre lang yung tool na gagamitin natin. That way, you can get started pagkatapos ng webinar natin tomorrow. And just imagine na lang mga boss, na na-set up mo na yung chatbot mo. And it can now reply, follow up, and even close deal for you 24/7. That means even tulog ka para you can focus na lang sa pag-close ng deal. Okay ba yun? And if game ka dito, I want you to comment chatbot on the comment section and see you inside mga boss.